Sizzla now. How did you connect with Sizzla?
Right. So Dada know his sister, Tuti, is a friend of mine. And then so I used to hang out by Judgment Yard and one time she's like, yo, you need to do it. You're a bad artist, you know, Neto. You need to do a song with my brother. So she introduced me with Dada, and Dada said, yo, take down my number. And I was like, what? Dada gave me his number? Remember, I was young at the time, you know. And so from there, forward to Canada, and there was a last rhythm on the album. There was a last rhythm where I think I make it listen to Chezdek, and Chezdek didn't end up recording on it. And me was texting Dada, I was texting Sizzla, and Sizzla said, yo, you know, rhythm, forward some rhythm. I forward the rhythm, and I had two verses already laid down on it. So we never record the song together. So we already had two verses on it, and Sizzla just, psh, and his sister texts me the next day, it's like, yo, your rhythm is playing night and day. Dada want, crazy about it. And then he sent back the vocals and history. And then we forward and we did the video. So we forward with a team, with a record label, with like 8 people. We forward Judgment Yard, and we shoot also in Waterhouse. We did the video, and that was Dada 36 Earth Strong. So the day we shoot the video, that was Dada Earth Strong. So that was a very special day. And all through the shooting, Dada keep on thanking me for doing this video. And I'm like, Dada, thank you. And he's like, yo, no, Neto, give thanks. It's a blessing. We do this today on my Earth Strong. I'm like, Dada, thank you. So it was a great experience.
Yeah, that's big right there, especially somebody like a Sizzla, you know what I mean? And that's on your second album. So even somebody like Ikaya Soul, when do you connect with her?
Ikaya, another artist from Waterhouse, right? She used to live on Balcom Drive. I used to live on Balcom Drive in Unity Lane, so she literally ride the corner. But Ikea, she's not a woman who come out really in the ghetto. She like to be like a uptown girl. Big up Ikea, same way, But no, her dad, Bingy Blair, which is Capleton's best friend. Bingy Blair is Ikea's dad, and Bingy Blair always harassing me for doing a song with Ikea. And boom, we do a song. She came to Canada like 4 years ago. We did a show together. I booked her for that show. And then we say, she's like, my dad not stop telling me we need to do a song. So she forwarded to my studio and recorded the song. Yeah.
That was Drama.
Drama. Yeah.
Big. And how did that song do for you guys?
It was great. It's still doing great. Yeah. It's a great song. Yeah.
Because what I like with what you do, you put out a lot of visuals.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, think about it, Muscle. These days is before it used to be more of an hearing era. Now we're in a visual era. See, the whole thing with the metaverse and everything coming, we're in a visual era. First of all, people attention span very short nowadays. And no, people need to see things. If they don't see no visual, they're not going to pay attention to a song. So even if you put on a song, even if you don't have no video, it's good to put a lyric video so at least people can relate on it, right? So visual are very important nowadays.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.